Welcome back, future innovators and engineers. Today, we're diving into the world of engineering interviews. Whether you're a recent grad or a seasoned pro, you know the drill. You need to stand out. But how do you ace those questions to land your dream job? Well, stick around because we're breaking down common interview questions with smart, simple answers to power up your interview game. Question 1. Tell me about yourself? Answer. Keep it professional, concise, and relevant to engineering. Discuss your educational background, key projects, and the skills that make you a great fit for the role. Example. I'm an engineer passionate about sustainable design. I've mastered the skills required for efficient mechanical design and dynamic project management through my degree at XYZ University and practical experience during internships at top firms like ABC Corp, where I worked on green energy solutions. Question 2. Why did you choose a career in engineering? Answer. Share your passion for problem solving and innovation. Mention a moment or project that ignited your interest in engineering. Example. I chose engineering because it's the perfect intersection of creativity and logic. Ever since I built a makeshift telescope as a kid to gaze at the stars, I've been fascinated by how we can use science to solve problems and innovate. Question 3. What engineering projects have you worked on? Answer. Highlight one or two projects that had significant outcomes. Focus on your role and the skills you applied to achieve success. Example. Notably, I was the project lead on a solar-powered water filtration system during my senior year. This wasn't just a theoretical project. It was implemented in a local community, providing clean water to hundreds, which was incredibly rewarding. Question 4. How do you stay updated with the latest engineering trends? Answer. Talk about specific publications, websites, or professional groups you follow, showing your commitment to continuous learning. Example. To stay ahead, I regularly attend industry seminars, subscribe to Engineering Today, and participate in online forums and discussions. This keeps me updated on emerging trends and technologies in engineering. Question 5. Can you explain a specific engineering concept? Answer. Absolutely. Break down the concept into layman's terms. If you can, relate it to a project you've worked on. Example. Absolutely. For instance, let's take thermodynamics. In simple terms, it's the study of energy, how it moves and changes form. It's crucial for designing anything from engines to refrigerators, ensuring we're using energy in the smartest way possible. Question 6. What software tools are you proficient in? Answer. List the tools you're most experienced with, especially those relevant to the job description. Example. I'm adept with SolidWorks for 3D modeling, MATLAB for data analysis, and AutoCAD for drafting. Each tool enhances my ability to deliver precise and efficient designs. Question 7. Describe a technical problem you encountered and how you solved it? Answer. Choose a complex problem and walk them through your troubleshooting process step by step. Example. On a robotics project, a motor kept overheating. I conducted a thermal analysis, identified insulation as the issue, and redesigned the casing to better dissipate heat. Question 8. How do you ensure the quality of your engineering projects? Answer. Discuss your attention to detail, your methodical approach to testing and revisions, and any quality control standards you follow. Example. Quality is non-negotiable. I implement a stringent quality check regime that includes peer reviews, simulations, and multiple testing phases, which aligns with the Six Sigma approach to ensure that we're hitting the mark every time. Question 9. Describe a time when you worked as part of an engineering team? Answer. Share a story that shows collaboration, your role, and the successful outcome. Example. During a bridge redesign, I collaborated with civil, architectural, and environmental engineers. My role was to integrate their specifications into a cohesive structural design. Question 10. How do you handle conflict in a team? Answer. Show that you approach conflicts constructively, with a focus on resolving differences and finding a path forward. Example. I address conflicts directly but respectfully, focusing on the issue, not the person. It's about finding common ground and a solution that aligns with the project's goals. Question 11. What do you do when you disagree with a team member's suggestion? Answer. Express respect for different opinions and detail how you'd evaluate ideas based on data and project goals. Example. Disagreements are a chance to explore new perspectives. I welcome them as long as they're constructive. For example, if I disagree, I would present my own assessment, backed by data, and open the floor for a healthy debate. Question 12. Can you describe a time when you took the lead on a project? Answer. Give an example that showcases your leadership skills and how you helped guide your team to success. Example. In my last role, I spearheaded the redesign of an HVAC system, coordinating with different departments to meet our efficiency and cost targets. Question 13. Give an example of a goal you reached and tell me how you achieved it. Answer. Talk about a specific engineering goal, the steps you took to reach it, and the outcome. Example. My goal was to enhance our product's lifecycle by 20%. Through iterative design improvements and rigorous testing, we were able to not just meet, but surpass this goal, ultimately extending the lifecycle by 30%. Question 14. Tell me about a time you made a mistake. How did you handle it? Answer. Be honest about a mistake, but focus on what you learned and how it improved your work or processes. Example. In one instance, I misinterpreted a client's specifications, which led to a prototype error. I took immediate responsibility, revised the design, and implemented a new protocol to prevent such oversights in the future. Question 15. Describe a high-pressure situation you faced and how you handled it. Answer. Provide an example that shows your ability to stay calm and effective under pressure. Example. Facing a potential deadline miss due to equipment failure, I analyzed our resources and timeline, strategized a solution involving equipment sharing with another department, and rallied my team to meet our original deadline without compromising on quality. Question 16. Have you ever had to learn a new skill or technology to complete a project? Answer. Discuss your adaptability and eagerness to take on challenges for project success. Example. Yes, I learned a new simulation software within 2 weeks to meet the design needs of a project, ensuring we delivered the optimized results on time. Question 17. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Answer. Be realistic and express your interest in growing with the company while contributing to impactful engineering projects. Example. I see myself as a lead engineer, managing larger, impactful projects and potentially guiding a team of rising engineers toward innovative solutions. Question 18. Why should we hire you? Answer. Summarize your top strengths, how they align with the job, and your enthusiasm for the opportunity. Example. My blend of technical expertise, a clear communication style, and a proven ability to tackle complex problems makes me a strong fit to contribute to your team's success. Question 19. Do you have any questions for us? Answer. Always have a few questions prepared. Inquire about team dynamics, upcoming projects, or what success looks like in the role. Example. Yes. What does success look like for this position in the first year, and how does this role contribute to the company's long-term goals? Question 20. What salary range are you expecting? Answer. Do your research beforehand. Offer a range based on industry standards and your experience. Example. Based on my research and the industry standards for this role and location, as well as my experience and skill set, I would expect a range between X and Y. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content like this.